Hello everyone. Blender is a free and open source 3D computer graphics software toolset used for creating animated films, visual effects, art, 3D printed models, motion graphics, interactive 3D applications, virtual reality, and computer games. Blender is a great solution for small-scale use in studios, for freelancers, and for hobbyists. Considering that it is a free software, it is very powerful and can be highly beneficial for smaller companies. If you're just starting your adventure with 3D modeling, Blender might be a better option to start. For download Blender setup file, go to webblender.org, download link available in this video description. Once the web page is open, click the Blender download button. Click on this scroll down button, select Windows Installer. The Blender setup file will be downloaded. Click on Downloaded File. When the setup wizard opens, then click Next. Accept the license agreement, click Next. Leave default program file location, click Next. Then click on Install. When the setup is complete, click the Finish button. Blender successfully installed. I hope you like. Thanks for watching the video.